Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Glassnode for on-chain analytics and alerts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Glassnode for on-chain analytics and alerts, begin by visiting the Glassnode website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You will be directed to the pricing page. Here, review the available subscription plans and choose one that fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Check your email for a verification link from Glassnode. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Glassnode website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard area. Familiarize yourself with the various sections for on-chain data analysis. Look for the Alerts feature in the dashboard menu. Click on it to set up your personalized alerts based on specific on-chain metrics. Choose the metrics you want to monitor, such as transaction volume or active addresses. Adjust the parameters according to your preferences. After configuring the alerts, save your settings. Consider exploring other features, like charts and reports, for deeper insights. If needed, review the Glassnode documentation for more detailed guidance. Now you're ready to start using Glassnode for on-chain analytics and alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.